Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals with online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site varies in availability, age requirements, and payment methods. Consider reputation, survey availability, and payout methods when selecting survey sites. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, utilizing free offers, and prioritizing high payout surveys. Practice best survey-taking techniques including creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Watch out for warning signs of illegitimate sites such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, and requests for private information. Online surveys are legitimate and typically take 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites offer instant cash or sign-up bonuses. Companies pay for surveys to gather market research and consumer feedback. Start earning today with online surveys.